Here are 3 ways that you can build connection with your team members. Be interested instead of interesting. When you take the time to get to know your employees, what motivates them and what they need, they feel a deeper connection to you and to your company. Randomly connect. Walk around your workplace and ask your employees what they're doing and how they're doing it. Not only will you learn more about the inner workings of your business, but what your employees may share with you, they'll share some money-saving or revenue-producing ideas in the process. Give employees a voice and a vote. Share your company initiatives with your team and then listen to their input. Even if it's not exactly what you want to hear, your chance of buy-in increases exponentially when employees feel that they are part of the process. All of these efforts to connect must come from the heart. If you're just trying it out to see how it works, but you really don't believe in the process, guess what? It won't work.